Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR connection closed error for Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So there's one resolution that has been recommended here, and I will give you the crux of this resolution. Basically, we will have to clear Chrome cached app data. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. This will take you to the app data roaming page. Okay, we don't need this one. We need to go one step back and then go to local and then scroll down and find the Google folder. Right click on it and delete it. Okay, and then try launching Chrome again, and you will notice that this issue is fixed because you have cleared the data, and it is similar to resetting Chrome. Try to access whatever website you want to, and this should work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.